Hello guys, let's make a refreshing Zobo drink, but with a healthy twist, sweetened with date syrup instead of sugar. I have with me here Zobo leaf, pineapple, Zobo seed, cinnamon stick, date seed, and ginger the game changer. I have a container filled with hot water, so I'll be adding everything that I need to soak overnight. I'll be adding Zobo leaves, Zobo seed, pineapple bark, cinnamon stick. I will stir it, cover it to soak overnight. I'll go ahead and preserve my pineapple and keep it in the fridge for the next day. I will deseed the date seed, wash and soak with hot water for easy extraction for the next day. This is the next day. I will extract the chaff from the Zobo drink and go ahead and extract the pineapple juice, ginger juice, and date juice and set it aside. Then I will add all the extracts to the main Zobo drink and give it a well stir. Right now, the perfect, refreshing, healthy Zobo drink is ready. Go ahead and taste the goodness. Fill in a container and serve in the fridge. Please do wait to subscribe, like, share, comment. Share for other people to see. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Goodbye.